Good afternoon. My name is John Brumlow, Lead Investigating Supervisor of the JTTF, over the events that have been developing throughout the past couple of days. These events have gone from bad to worse. At approximately 12:25, a gunman opened fire at the corner of 3rd and Pennsylvania into a crowd of protesters associated with Defend Our Natural Resources as they were making their way to the Capitol. As you know, we have been tracking this group of protesters as well as linking them to nefarious acts and the power outage over Northwest D.C. MPD was able to locate and stop the gunman, taking his life, but not before he could gun down 6 civilians and put another 23 with life-threatening injuries in the hospital, utilizing an AR-15 style weapon. The casualty count is unfortunately expected to increase. The gunman was identified as James Roswell of West Virginia, known to have episodes in the past with mental health issues. At 4 p.m. this afternoon, FBI agents raided his apartment in West Virginia and seized copious amounts of weapons and ammunition, including explosive materials containing tricetone triperoxide, or TATP. Roswell has been connected to the United Mine Workers of America Union, which the FBI JTTF will immediately begin investigating into, and the ATF will begin a trace on the explosive substances found in his residence, hopefully to track down more leads. It is unknown if this mining union is connected to the counter-protesters that we have been seeing in D.C. speaking out against Defend Our Natural Resources. In reference to the power outage, the investigation into the cyber attack has revealed that a PEPCO employee installed the malware into the operating system to cause the outage. It is unknown at this moment if this employee has ties to any extremist group or the Defend Our Natural Resources rally. PEPCO, as of 6 p.m. Monday, restored power fully to the D.C. area. The events that we have seen leading up to the shooting have made us increase our police presence, which ultimately stopped the shooter. And without the quick response to the shooting, many more casualties could have been the result. Thank you for your attention and cooperation into this investigation, and the JTTF will need all the help it can get from your agencies to assist us in the investigation to protect of the citizens of the D.C. and U.S.